Dogs hear a wider range of frequencies than people and notice subtle sound cues that shape their every move and mood. From distant doors to rustling leaves, a dog will often react before its owner even notices the noise, signaling alertness. Scientists explain this heightened hearing helps them predict events like mealtime, visitors arriving, or warning barks during storms. By tuning into your dog's silent signals, you can train more effectively using consistent cues, short sessions, and gentle rewards that reinforce calm behavior. Understanding their sonic world strengthens trust and turns everyday sounds into teamwork rather than stress for both ends of the leash.